Welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Ankita and in this video I'm going to share with you a footwear haul. So I got 3 pairs of footwear from Khadims, and Khadims is a very well-known brand in India and it's very popular in Kolkata. They have some of the most affordable, stylish and yet very comfortable shoes. You will be able to find like casual wear, formal wear and also like party wear shoes on their website. So I'll have the link to their website in the description box. You can also use my code Ankita15. I'll pop it on the screen to get a 15% off on their website. I'm also going to review them for you in this video. I know a lot of you are bored of seeing the same few footwear that I repeat in my videos. So now I have these 3 new pairs. I will also share with you how I style these footwear in this video with 3 different outfits. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. So this is the first pair. It's a pair of casual boots. This is how it looks. It comes in this gingham pattern and it looks really stylish. It also has a buckle right here with golden hardware and it has zips at the side. Let me tell you, these are extremely comfortable. I know they have a little bit of heel, but they are so comfortable. Also because the heels are block heels, this type of heel is really comfortable. It also has a little bit of height in front, you can see here, so it gives your foot a little bit of space to rest.
It has insole padding and an extremely soft lining that just hugs the feet like cushions.
These are so good. These are extremely comfortable and I have styled this
with this very pretty mustard dress, and I'm also carrying a matching black bag. These boots are complementing the dress and the bag so well. Wearing simple golden earrings, I think it's a very cute look. Let me know what you think.
So this is the first pair. I really like it. This is one of the most comfortable heels. It looks really stylish as well. A lot of you might be having like plain black or white or tan boots, but this is something unusual. If you're looking for boots, you can definitely check them out. The link is in the description box. So this was the first pair. So the second pair that I have is a pair of block heels. It's a nude pink color and looks extremely stylish, like you can see, and it has golden hardware and golden buckles on the side. So this color will work with a lot of different outfits. You can pair it with your Indian wear, with your Western wear, with your Indo-Western wear as well. These can be your perfect party shoes. You can also wear it to formal events. This is not only stylish, it's extremely comfortable as well. It has insole padding.
So I've paired the block heels with this beautiful floral dress. I'm carrying my square sling bag and I'm also wearing these floral hoops to complete the look. Like I mentioned before, these heels will work with a lot of different outfits.
It's priced at Rs 999, but you can definitely use my code to get a 15% discount, and also it's really affordable considering the high quality footwear that you're getting. So this one is the second pair and it's one of the most comfortable pairs of heels that I've tried. Moving on to the third pair. So this is the third and final pair that I got from Khadims. So I wanted to get a really casual pair of footwear that I can use like on a daily basis to run errands and maybe to get groceries. So I got this pair. I got it in a grey color so that it works with most of my outfits.
It has these glittery stones on top, which makes it more special.
It's a pair of slip-on shoes and it's got a little bit of heel, like you can see. These are really sturdy as well as very comfortable, and also they look so stylish. You know, something that I could quickly slip on and just head out, maybe when I'm in a hurry.
I have styled the grey slip-on shoes with a simple crop top and a printed skirt, and it looks really nice with this outfit. And I'm also carrying a mustard bag to complete the look. This can be a perfect beach vacation outfit for when we are allowed to travel again.
So this is how the third pair looks like. It's so good. I really like the way this looks as well. So that is it for this video. It was a quick little footwear haul. I hope you liked it. Let me know which one was your favorite pair of footwear from my haul. Also, you can let me know your experience using Khadims footwear, and We can have a chat in the comment section. You can find the links to the products in the description box. So that is it for this video. You can find my social media links in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.